for me. Why is it not going off? This is for me.
County in central Massachusetts, Essex County in northeastern Massachusetts, Middlesex County in northeastern Massachusetts until 10:45 p.m. At 9:42 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Templeton, Oregon, 10 miles east of Orange, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated.
Oh no.
Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Lowell, Lynn, Nashua, Lawrence, Haverhill, Waltham, Medford, Peabody, Methuen, Arlington, Salem,
Arlington, that's me.
Vicksburg, Billerica, Beverly, Marlboro, Woburn, Chelmsford, and Andover.
Next down over.
For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the
This is not refreshed it yet.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10:45 p.m. for the following counties in Massachusetts: Essex, Middlesex, and Worcester. The 9 p.m. weather observations across New England.